Okay, first of all, you go to this site here. If you need to change the language of the layout, then you can hover over this button here and select the language in which you want the website to display. Then you scroll down and you find the first button for Translate Now. After you click, you can then drag and drop your file or click on Upload File to look for the file on your computer. I'm going to do this first example using a PDF. So you just select the file that you want to translate, and you can switch between tabs and drop it. It would automatically detect the origin language, and then you can select what is the destination language that you want for your output. In this case, I will use Spanish. Then you click Translate, and you wait until the document has finished translation. Once it's done, you're going to get the option to download your translated document here, and then you can download it. In here you can see the translated document, and I have as well the original document. As you see, it preserved the layout of the document in here. Let me do a different example with another type of document. You go into the site, you click on Translate Now, then you go to the space where you can drag and drop your file. You select it. I want to use a Word file here. You drag and drop it. Sometimes you get this verification. It will detect the language of the original file, and then you select the output. Once you select it, you click Translate, wait for it to get done, and then you click on Download your translated document. As you can see in here, it does not translate images, but it keeps the same layout and colors and positioning of everything else in the document.
If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it on your social media. And remember to follow p3.hero on all of their social media. And subscribe to my newsletter to get more content like this. Thank you very much for your support.